My name is Shannon, and I'm about to do my first official Fashion Nova unboxing. I want to say that tomorrow's my birthday, and I probably want to upload my video on my birthday. And for anyone who's wondering, I'm going to be turning 35 tomorrow. Tomorrow, March 27th, on a Sunday. Well, I just hope everyone enjoy watching my video. Hope y'all love it. And before I get started my video, I'd like everyone to like my video if you find it hard to do that, and you can comment. I would love that so much if y'all would comment on my video, and y'all can also share my video if y'all like. Okay, right now I'm about to open my first package that I got from Fashion Nova very recently. And by the way, I have a few other packages, but somehow they to me late. But I just hope y'all enjoy watching my video. I'm gonna share a few clothes that I got at Fashion Nova. Which I ordered these clothes probably 1 week ago, 1 week ago and a half, something like that. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna show y'all a white jogger that I had ordered at Fashion Nova. You know. By the way, I came across a very great, wonderful, really good sale, and most of my things was pretty cheap. By the way, yeah, I ordered this jogger right here. It's white, and I believe it's a high-waisted. It's high-waisted, and I love high-waisted jeans, even joggers, you know. And by the way, this is my very first jogger that is high-waisted, so I'm really happy. And what can I say about this is, I really love it just looking at it. It feels so soft. Oh my goodness. This is so great. It's really good. Okay. I hope everyone can see this good. And for anyone wondering, this jogger pants is medium, which is my size. Okay, I'm about to show y'all something else that I got at Fashion Nova. Alright. I can't wait to wear this. My white jogger pants. Okay, this is something else that I had ordered at Fashion Nova. By the way, this is a cute top that I ordered at Fashion Nova. It's size medium. I came across it on Fashion Nova's website, and I was trying to order it. I thought this color was white, but it's not white. It's a light blue color. The real reason that I got it because of the shirt, the sleeve. And I thought it was really cute and beautiful. And I just hope and pray that this cute top is not short shirts. I forgot what you call that. The shirts that are really short, because I'm not really into shirts that are short on me. I love regular shirts, tops. But I put in that it's a regular size. Okay, now I'm soon about to show y'all something else that I ordered at Fashion Nova. on the Fashion Nova website. Oh, and I just want to say that when it comes to this cute top, this cute light blue spring top, I'm probably gonna wear this tomorrow on my birthday. I'm not really sure, but I might. When I try it on, I just hope I love it, and I'm pretty sure I will love it. Okay, now I'm about to show y'all 1 or 2 more things that I ordered Fashion Nova. And like I said earlier, I ordered like 2 or 3 more things, but I have to order very recently. It's running late. I'm happy though and thankful that I got the packages that I got now before my birthday. Okay, I'm about to show y'all one more thing that came in the mail for me that I ordered on Fashion Nova. By the way, I'm about to show y'all some like cute jeans that I came across. I just thought it was really cute, beautiful Fashion Nova, you name it. And for anyone that's wondering what else I had ordered on the Fashion Nova website, well, I had ordered 2 dresses. I ordered a dress for my birthday, and I was gonna wear that for my birthday tomorrow, but I'm not gonna be able to get it until after my birthday. But I decided that I'm gonna buy something at the store tomorrow for my birthday, and therefore, yeah, I can have something else to wear for my birthday besides the dress that I wanted to come before my birthday. And I also ordered another dress on the Fashion Nova website, and by the way, that dress is gonna be for Easter next month. And I just think it's like really cute and I love it. And also the dress that I had got from birthday too. Okay. Okay, this is what I ordered on the Fashion Nova website. Very recently, probably like a week ago or a little more than a week ago. Yeah, I just thought it was cute. The jeans is dyed, they have like white dye in the front of the jeans, which I thought it was like really cute. So that's why I ordered that. But most of all, I ordered these jeans because I love the way it looks in the back. It has like a dye like right here. Like on the butt part of the jeans. I just think it's like really cute. So yeah, that's the real reason why I ordered it. And also the real reason I ordered too because, it's because of this, like, part of it. Yeah. And also because of the color of the jean. Yeah. And this jean is a size 5, which is my size. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the jean again before I say this. Okay, well that's all I'm gonna show y'all. Well, this is all for now. Hi everyone, well I'm back, and this is another video that I'm making because another package came in for Fashion Nova. And by the way, this dress that I was gonna wear for my birthday, I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, but we'll see. I'll figure that out. And I ordered another dress that I'm gonna show y'all soon, and which I ordered a dress at Fashion Nova on the website so that I can wear it for Easter next month. Okay, well, I'm going to open the package right now. Okay, right now I'm going to show you one dress that I ordered. Let's see. How to open this up? Okay, this is a dress that I ordered at Fashion Nova, one of the dresses. I just thought it was like so cute. And yeah, and just me just looking at it right now, I just think it's pretty sharp, but hope it doesn't look that sharp on me when I put it on. But yeah, the reason why I ordered this dress because, you know, I love wrap dresses, and I ordered it because I just love the way that it has, you know, it looks at the top, you know, like this, you know, I like that. Yeah, that's why I ordered. Yeah, this is how the dress looks when it comes to the front, and this is how the dress looks in the back. You know, it is silky, which I think that's really cool. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna put on my last dress that I got at Fashion Nova. Okay, this is the last dress that I got at Fashion Nova. By the way, this is my favorite dress that I ordered. And when it comes to like the dress that I just show you y'all will want. Okay, so that's just that I ordered Fashion Nova, and yeah, the reason why I ordered this because I just think it's really cute. Like I just love all the colors in here. I just think the dress looks, it's like so spring-like. So yeah, when I saw it, I was like, I just have to get this dress. By the way, it's like real long, but not too long. Hopefully it's not too long with me, you know. Because I'm kind of short, I'm like 5'4", but I don't think it's gonna be too long. Yeah. And the reason why I ordered this dress because I thought it was like really cute because of the split. They had like a split in this dress, like starting right here. And like it goes all the way down. Yeah. And this is how the back of the dress looks. If anyone is wondering how the back of the dress looks. And by the way, this dress is size medium. Yes, the size medium. And by the way, that's my size. Medium. Well, I just hope everyone enjoyed watching my video. Hope y'all loved it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and y'all can comment. And by the way, I really appreciate it if y'all will comment on the video because that would mean so much to me and that will make me really happy. Yeah. Well, goodbye, you guys. Later. You know, and one more thing, I hope every one of y'all are just having a nice and wonderful and amazing weekend.